What is join method? It is an array method that returns a new string by concatenating all the elements from an array, and by default it will take comma as a separator. Okay, so let me explain what I said. First, let's take a variable. So let me name it as string. Okay, and that is equal to, let's say, arr.join. Okay, array.join, and guys, this will take only one parameter, that is separator, and by default it will be comma. So let me come here and let me print console.log, let's say str. Okay, and let me run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got Peter, comma, Bob, comma, Srikanth. They are separated using a comma. Okay, so this is what I'm telling. And let me type here console.log type of, okay, type of, and let me type here str, string. Now it should print string. Yeah, you see, we got string. So from array of elements, join method will return a new string by concatenating all the values from an array. Okay, yeah, awesome. Now let's try to pass some parameter. So let's say I will pass here something called hyphen. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Yeah, you see guys, now we got Peter hyphen Bob hyphen Srikanth. Okay, and likewise we can pass any separator that we want to use on the output string. Okay, now let me try something else. Maybe let me try the pipe symbol. I don't know if it is called pipe or not. Yeah, so let me run this one. Yeah, you see, we got Peter, Bob, Srikanth. Likewise, I can also pass here something called 1. It is not recommended, but let me pass 1 and let me print. You see, we got Peter 1, Bob 1 and Srikanth, right? Likewise, maybe let's say, and let's take double quotes here and let's write I know. Okay, and let me put comma here. Yeah, I know. Sorry, let me take some space. Yeah, awesome. Now let me print this one. Yeah, you see, I know Peter, Bob, Srikanth, right? Likewise, let's take numbers array. So I'll write here numbers, numbers. Okay, and let me put hyphen here. Okay, so likewise we can bind phone numbers like this, and let's see how it will behave with array of arrays. Okay, so here I have one array 1 2 3 and one more array subscribe and one more string now. So what we'll do is that we will provide comma here and we will remove this one for now. Okay, we will remove this one, and here let's pass the value. Okay, the name of the array, that is value, right? And now let's print this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got 1 2 3 and comma and subscribe and comma. So even though it is an array that contains 1 2 3 and this is an array that contains subscribe, it is treating this array as one individual element, right? One individual value. And since we are passing comma here, it will put that comma after one individual element, one value in the array, right? So that is why 1 2 3 comma subscribe comma now, right? Likewise, if I put here subscribe and if I type here please, right? If I put please here, it will not put comma in between these things because this is complete one value, right? So let me print that one. You see, 1 2 3 subscribe please now. Okay, so this is how join method will work, guys. I hope you guys got the clarity, and like it says here, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.